Hey guys, welcome back. It's time for a day 194 post-bariatric surgery update. I got two things we're going to chat about today. I do not have a weight update on this one, but I want to just share a couple more common questions that come up about the surgery. And one of them is how my friends and family have supported me. And I will say in my immediate family, so my mom, my dad, my in-laws, all of them have been really supportive. I told most of my family pretty much, not right at the beginning of my journey, but probably shortly after I was accepted into the program, and they knew about it the whole time. You are recommended to have some kind of support system, so a lot of them were in my support circle. Nobody was ever negative about it, and even after sharing it with more of my extended family, post-surgery, nobody was really negative about it. I had one person kind of ask me, why would you choose to go that route? And, once I explained my reasoning, they were super supportive of it. And I think it's just one of those where, again, sometimes people think it's the easy way and don't realize how much work it takes. And then once you do some explaining and explain your reasonings, not that you have to, but if you're comfortable doing that, then, it helps to open their eyes a little bit. So that's my personal take. Obviously, everybody's family is going to be different. Some people are a lot more judgmental. My family can be judgmental, but in this case, they were all super supportive. And another one is just, people have asked me, do people treat you differently when you lose weight? And, I mean, we all know that to some extent people do. Obviously, you share a lot of your progress, and people are super nice and supportive and commenting on that. And they're like, oh, you look so good, right? And I think that's the biggest one, that sometimes it's hard to take, because you want to think that people thought you looked good before too. And so it's a little bit tricky, because when that comes up, it's is that, and I know it's meant to be a compliment, but sometimes it can come across as not, because you're like, oh, what, didn't I look good before? But I mean, I personally don't take it that way, because I know that it comes from better intentions. And I know even when I'm commenting, I'm thinking how is this person gonna react to what I'm saying? And sometimes we read into things a little bit too much. So try and take those for what they are, and it's just people trying to be supportive is my best advice when it comes to comments like that. But yeah, I will say, all in all, you're gonna have people that are gonna treat you different if you're bigger, if you're smaller, but those aren't your true friends and family. So try not to worry about those people, and just focus on the people that matter, that have always been there and loved you and supported you through it all. That's the best advice that I have. And yeah, like and subscribe, guys. We'll be back tomorrow with another one. Until then, bye.